Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make waiting for players in Roblox Studio. So firstly open up Roblox Studios, then head to my games. Now open up the game you want to add the waiting for players command into. So I'll head into my test game, then wait for the game to load. Now the game has loaded. Now we need to go to the toolbox section, and under models tab we'll search for waiting for players. Now you'll see the script needed for the player waiting timer. So I'll just add the first script, click OK. Now the script is in workspace and it will be staying in workspace. Now you can edit all the necessary things you need in here, like the number of players needed for the game to start, the seconds a round will be active, or the amount of minutes a round will be active, and also many other aspects. So if there is one player necessary for the game to start, the game will immediately start and all the assets will start to load. So if I click on the play button, you will see the player has been acquired and the map loading sequence has been initialized. So now the map is being loaded. And if you set it to more than one player, so if I set the players necessary to 2 players and click on the play button, then the game will not initialize and it will wait for one more player to join the game before it initializes its mechanisms. So this is how you can add a waiting for player sequence in your Roblox game. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.